आपका पैसा वसूल होगा, मेरा कहने का मतलब ये था. We have to protect our earlobes, guys. Parapapapa. I shall sacrifice my look. Ayyo, 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 ayyo. I'm gonna get you. I don't know why I said that. Hi guys, I'm Kritika. Welcome back to my channel. So, I love me some jewelry. If you know me, if you know anything about me, I love silver jewelry. I love jewelry in general. So, I shot some pieces and I thought I'm gonna share it with you guys where I got it from, and obviously I'll keep the links in the description box below so you can check the products out and get them for yourself also. And especially festive season चल रहा है, so I thought why not do it. My voice guys बची नहीं है, मेरी voice like literally मुझे लग रहा है मैंने खुद को अपनी ना वो बोलते हैं ना नजर लगा दी है. I don't believe in नजर दो बोल के कि oh shit मेरी तो immunity इतनी strong है blah blah blah, और मैं इतना बुरा बीमार पड़ी थी ना guys. I was sick for over 7-8 days. मैं इतनी restless हो रही थी, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था shit I want to get back, I want to get back, I want to start shooting, I want to go to the gym. But finally धीरे धीरे we are recovering. I think मेरा second या third day है shoot का. So yeah, without any further ado, we're keeping it real. I have my laptop here. So the first brand that I absolutely love, and I think अगर आपको कोई भी और brand से order नहीं करना है from the entire video, you should definitely check out this brand. Definitely on the expensive side and थोड़ा सा the range is expensive, but I feel आप एक बार कभी ऐसी कोई अच्छी चीज लेते हो ना, you can definitely get your worth. Definitely. Count the number of times I've said definitely. You can get your worth out of it. You can get your सही sentence था ये. अब नहीं भी था तो हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. समझ आ गया सबको मैं क्या बोलना चाहती हूँ. आपका पैसा वसूल होगा, मेरा कहने का मतलब ये था. Especially gold and silver bangles like these are so pretty. I'm gonna show you guys how this looks. This is beautiful. And then we have charms here. Indian wear के साथ, western wear के साथ, सबके साथ इतना pretty लगता है. And ये dual tone है तो silver और golden दोनों है इसमें, which makes it even better. अपने मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है अगर wardrobe में आप रख के कितनी बार use कर सकते हो, because I got something very similar last year and मैंने उसको बहुत बार पहना है. So this is the first piece. Next up, from this same brand, I got this from Ogaan and the brand is Kritika Sajdeva. I got another set in golden color and looks beautiful. I love the charms and it has mirror work here. So beautiful. We have our zoom camera here on the side. I same color में, same golden tone में और mirror work में. I got some earrings also. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you. Wait. And it's so beautiful. Has a lotus design. Next up we have these silver झुमकास. I think सबकी closet में एक ऐसे silver झुमकास होने चाहिए. And इतना heavy नहीं है ये जितना देख के लग रहा है, but yeah, थोड़ा तो heavy होता है. मुझे सब question पूछते हैं आप कैसे पहनते हो इतना heavy, कैसे पहनते हो? I don't wear it on a regular basis and मैं रेगुलर बेसिस पे इयररिंग्स पहनती ही नहीं हूँ. सिर्फ जब मैं शूट कर रही होती हूँ या बाहर जा रही होती हूँ या फिर वाओ तब मैं इयररिंग्स पहनती हूँ, बिकॉज वी हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर earlobes, guys. I don't know why I said that. It's so pretty. Has green detailing here in the middle. Looks like this. I love the sound. And I got this from Suhana Art Jewels. Next up we have these earrings and the brand is not mentioned. I got this from Ogaan, but these are very pretty droplets. Most of the time जब भी when I'm wearing something basic, मुझे तब basically gold hoops और silver hoops के अलावा कुछ मिलता नहीं था, तो that's why I got these statement earrings. कभी कुछ थोड़ा outfit amp up करने के लिए. So this is what it looks like. Next up we have these earrings, glow up earrings from NakhreWaali. NakhreWaali is a brand. I think I saw them 3-4 years back. And I fell in love with the designs. I think long back I got some big chunky earrings from them. उसके बाद I've seen so many brands come up with similar aesthetics, but I think NakhreWaali was one brand जो सबसे पहले वैसा style लाए थे. ये ऐसा style नहीं था guys. I'm gonna show you their signature style, but I got these earrings. They're white, and if I'm wearing a basic top or just a slip dress, I can definitely wear these. So this is what I was talking about. This is their signature style. A lot of colors, mirror work, shells, like proper bohemian tribal feel. I absolutely love the earrings. I got these hoops because I think I can wear this with maxi dress and I'm going on a beach vacay really soon. Really excited, but got this. So pretty. I think I should remove and show you guys how it looks. I shall sacrifice my look for this video. ये सही grammar नहीं थी, but who cares? This is what it looks like. So beautiful. Also the packaging is so pretty. ऐसे पूरा wrap up होके आया हुआ था guys with a thread. छोटू सा gift. Next up I got this bangle जो कि मुझे fit नहीं आ रहा है, मैं बहुत जबरदस्ती घुसाना पड़ता है इसको. Wow. This is what it looks like. So it looks like this. अयो. I also got a neck piece and this is what it looks like. You probably can't figure it out because of the suit. Too many colors right now, but ये एक basic किसी चीज के साथ बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. And I can definitely layer it with silver jewelry also, or I can probably wear hoops and choker and long neck piece. We are done with NakhreWaali. So I ordered this from Ogaan. I got these two chokers. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I absolutely love the color. मुझे इस color में earrings दिखते हैं, choker दिखता है. I'm gonna get cute. I love it. So I think ये अफगानी style है ये एंड मिरर वर्क है. इट्स सो प्रिटी. कितने टाइम से चलता हुआ आ रहा है ये स्टाइल. थोड़ा बहुत रिवैम्प होके कुछ ना कुछ न्यू मॉडिफिकेशंस के साथ आता है, बट आई लव इट. एंड देन आई गॉट दिस पाजेब चोकर ऑल्सो. दैट्स द नेम ऑफ द चोकर. इट्स सो प्रिटी. हैज घुंघरू एंड हैज ग्लास वर्क. लुक्स लाइक दिस. नेक्स्ट अप यू हैव दीज बैंगल्स फ्रॉम दिस ब्रांड कॉल्ड Creyons एंड मैंने बहुत बार पहन चुकी हूँ. स्टैक सम सिल्वर बैंगल्स बिटवीन एंड यू कैन ऐड दीज कड़ास. आई एम जस्ट क्विकली गोइंग थ्रू इट बिकॉज बहुत सारी jewelry पड़ी है and I don't wanna bore you guys. So next up we have this beautiful choker from the same brand Creyons. It has a similar vibe. I think it's a statement piece. Definitely I can definitely layer some long neck pieces with it and I can wear it with a maxi dress, or I can probably wear a cobalt blue maxi dress and add this. So pretty. I got this neck piece also from the same brand Creyons. It looks like this, and then we have one more kada. So the thing that actually made me get stuffed, loved these earrings when I saw it on the page, and this is from the same brand Creyons. It is so heavy and I don't know मैं पहनने कैसे वाली हूँ. These are actually so long and it's actually heavy. Like you can't wear it for long, but I still want to wear them. They're so pretty. and इसके साथ इतना अच्छा लग रहा है. बिल्कुल पाकिस्तानी सूट और वैसी सी फील आ रही है. बिल्कुल हमेशा सलामत रहे. We are removing them because we love our ears, but किसी दिन मेरे में हिम्मत आई तो मैं डालूंगी guys. Next up guys, I ordered from Pipa Bella. Rhea Kapoor के साथ उनका collection आया था. I love her styling. Rhea Kapoor is amazing and जो उनकी collection है वो भी बहुत amazing थी. So I got 3 pieces from the brand and मेरे पास ना silver western wear के साथ पहनने के लिए statement earrings नहीं थे. So I ordered these. This is what it looks like. Beautiful. I personally love me some chunky earrings, so I got this. Next up I go. ये खुलेगा कैसे? ऐसी चीजें मुझे बड़ी वो लगती है जिसमें समझ ही नहीं आता. ये पर्स कैसे खुलेगा? खुल नहीं रहा है. हम जबरदस्ती फिट करेंगे इसको. ये शायद खुलना था भी नहीं. I don't know, but I got this bangle also. It's gonna look so classy with a black maxi dress, sleek low one. अभी थोड़ा सा funny लग रहा होगा with Indian wear, but this is what it looks like. I got these hoops also, silver hoops, and I also got another pair. This is what it looks like. Quite heavy though. इस देख के ही लग रहा है ये heavy होगा. That's everything that I got from Rhea Pipa Bella collection. I got this also from Pipa Bella, but this is not from her collection. This is a gold chain. अभी बहुत funny लग रहा है. अभी तो मैं सच में राजा लग रही हूँ ये पहन के. But imagine this with a white shirt, 2-3 golden dainty neck pieces plus this. Guys, अभी मेरा vision दिख नहीं रहा किसी को. I'm gonna show you guys some gold jewelry that I got from Pipa Bella, H&M, जो daily wear में भी use हो सकती है और beach vacation पे भी use हो सकती है. So I got this set from H&M, like very basic daily wear gold earrings from H&M. Then I got this necklace set from H&M, dainty gold jewelry that you can wear on a daily basis. I also got this shell choker. This I got for a beach vacation. बहुत ही pretty लगता है. If you layer it, it'll look amazing. Like with an oversized linen shirt, linen trousers, white shirt, and a bralette. This choker with some golden neck pieces. It's gonna look bomb, and with golden hoops. Oh, I also got this fun one. Says Coca-Cola. I love Coca-Cola. This is what it looks like. Very colorful. I'm gonna layer a lot of neck pieces and stack a lot of bangles. So that's my vision, guys. Last, I got this from Nykaa Fashion. This is by the brand called Cider. They have really cute dresses. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see properly, but this is what it looks like. Let me show you one last thing and I'm gonna wrap this video up because ये already बहुत लंबी हो गई है video. Let me know if you want a part 2. But I got this ring from Valia and I got this from Nykaa Fashion. It says K in gold and the ring is silver plated. I think this is what it looks like. Okay guys, that's it. ये video already इतनी लंबी हो गया. I still have some pieces to show you guys, but we can definitely do a part 2 if you guys want. I'm really sorry ये video इतने time बाद live गई है because मुझे बीच में इतना कंफ्यूजन और क्रिएटिव ब्लॉक हो रहा था, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं क्या पोस्ट करूँ। मुझे ऐसा लगता है यार मैं रैंडमली ऐसे कुछ पोस्ट नहीं करना चाहती कि देख के लोग डिसअपॉइंट हो जाए। बट लेट मी नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वीडियोस डू यू वांट एंड आई एम डेफिनेटली टेकिंग अप ऑल द सजेशंस एंड video ideas. So in the comment section below, let me know what you want to see next, and I will definitely do that for you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.